Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple, easy recipe which is healthier than the fried chicken. That is bang bang chicken. Ingredients needed for this recipe. To make the sauce, into a bowl add mayonnaise, sriracha sauce, sugar and vinegar. And then mix everything and set aside. The sauce is so yum, you will just want to eat it with a spoon. In a large bowl, add buttermilk, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, and mix everything nicely. In a different bowl, add egg, salt, pepper, and sriracha sauce, and mix it. In another bowl, add panko. Cut the chicken breasts into chunks. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Working one at a time, dip the chicken into buttermilk mixture, then dredge into egg mixture and then into the panko mixture and add it to a baking tray. Working in batches, add chicken to the baking tray and cook until evenly golden and crispy. On 375 degrees, bake them for about 40 minutes or until golden brown. And after 20 minutes, try flipping them so that it's well done. While still hot, toss with the mayonnaise mixture, or you can drizzle the mayonnaise on the top. And serve it immediately. Hope you liked this simple recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.